The Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS isn't just a car, it's a statement. A middle finger to physics, a love letter to driving purists, and arguably the most hardcore Cayman ever built. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive deep into the details. Forget turbos. The GT4 RS sticks to Porsche's racing DNA with a screaming 4.0-liter naturally aspirated flat six, borrowed from the 911 GT3. With 493 horsepower and 331 lb-ft of torque, it revs to an ear-splitting 9,000 RPM, making it one of the last great NA engines. But numbers don't tell the full story. The throttle response is instant, the sound, unfiltered through twin intakes right behind your head, is pure motorsport ecstasy. Porsche didn't just tweak the Cayman, they transformed it. The GT4 RS features a full aerodynamics package inspired by the 911 GT3 RS. That massive swan neck rear wing, 60% more downforce than the standard GT4. The front splitter and underbody diffuser, engineered to keep this car glued to the tarmac at ludicrous speeds. And let's talk about those vents on the hood. They're not just for show, they reduce front-end lift, making high-speed cornering even more stable. Porsche's mantra: add lightness. The GT4 RS sheds weight with a carbon fiber hood, magnesium wheels, saving 22 lbs unsprung weight, and optional Weissach package that adds even more carbon. The result? A curb weight of just 3,227 lbs, making it sharper, more agile, and brutally quick. Unlike the GT4, which offered a manual, the GT4 RS is PDK only. Controversial for purists, but undeniably faster. The 7-speed dual-clutch snaps through gears with race car aggression, while rear axle steering and Porsche's torque vectoring system make cornering feel telepathic. This isn't just a sports car, it's a scalpel on wheels. Porsche moved the air intakes right behind the driver's head, so every downshift, every blip of the throttle, feels like you're inside a Le Mans car. It's raw, unfiltered, and absolutely intoxicating. With a starting price of $160,000 before options, the GT4 RS isn't cheap. But for that money, you're getting a car that's nearly as fast as a 911 GT3, with mid-engine balance and a driving experience that's second to none. Is it the ultimate Cayman? Absolutely. Is it one of the greatest driver's cars of the decade? We'd argue yes. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more high-performance content. See you in the next one.